Since there's a lot of questions about colors.gml, I'd figure I would do a demo episode of the channel I'm making. While it's still in progress, I hope this helps many of you out. Let's start the show. Hey there, I'm Westream and welcome to Aether's Workshop. We're tackling alternate color palettes today, so let's get started. In Rivals of Aether, alternate color palettes are different colors that you could set in each character when you play. All of these color palettes aside from the first color are set in colors.gml. In order to start, you need to understand what color palettes are. Color palettes in basic terms of Rivals of Aether are a set of colors which are used for the characters. For example, Guadua has this set of colors. Meanwhile, Sandbert has these set of colors. These set of colors are the color palettes, and if you modify them, they result in changing the colors of the characters itself. Now that you understand this concept, let's start working on colors.gml. To start picking an alternate color palette, first we need to start off with our original colors, and section off each group of colors that will be recolored together. Let's use Astra for an example. Her colors are Fur 1, Fur 2, Cloak, Necklace, and Gem. These are the set of colors that we will use to recolor Astra. Let's all give them a group number so we could use them later. Now, we need to find the center of each color group. Grab the red, green, and blue or RGB values of each color group's center color, and we will use them with set color profile as our zeroth slot. The format generally goes, the first number is the slot, second is the group number, and the rest are red, green, and blue respectively. The reason we need to do center color instead of the main color is for our next step, we need to create the range. The range is basically the value of how much color it would take from the center color. Let's go back to our group of colors and let's focus on a single color group. To create the range of this color group, we need to get the hue, saturation, and value or HSV values for each color. And then subtract that from the center color's HSV values. Make sure it's the center color's HSV values and not RGB. You should get something like this as a result. Remove the minus symbol and get the highest value from each column. Then add 1 to each of the numbers. This will be your range. A note to take: if you notice that your hue or the H range is somehow too large or close to 360, it may encompass the entire color spectrum. And in this case, take your hue and subtract it with 360. For example, the range of hue from 350 to 10 is not 340, but instead 20. To get 20, we get 360 minus 340. Now, we do that with the rest of the color groups, and we will use those values with set color profile range, where the first number is the group number, then the rest are the hue, saturation, and value. Once we got both of our center color and our ranges set up, we can finally make our alternate color palettes, using our center colors as our main color. To do that, we use set color profile slot like the first time, but instead of our main colors, we use it now with our modified colors, where slots 1 and onward will be the alternate colors. For example, if we change Astra's cloak color to red, this would be the result. And if we do that for the rest of the colors, this is the result. And that's it. I hope this helps you out. Keep crafty everyone, and see you when the channel actually starts. Westream out.